working in my studio at home. I teach the fashion and textiles, and I've just shown you a bit about weaving. So now I'm showing you how to do the braid making. And these braids, I've made them into bracelets. I'm sure people have seen these before. They're like friendship bracelets. But the whole idea comes from the Japanese samurai warrior, which they fasten up their garments with these because they're very strong. They become like rope, really good, strong rope. And we're going to make a little kumi-humi stand or whatever, just so that we have some way of actually plaiting or braiding our threads. So it's an octagonal, which means it's got 8 points, and there's a hole in the middle, and each of the points are split. And when I make them, it's like making an orange with 8 segments in it. And they're usually, for learning purposes, 10 centimeters in diameter, 5 centimeters radius, hole in the middle, and measured out evenly like an octagonal. So all your diagonal lines cross through a center point. There you go, 10 centimeters. So now I've chosen some turquoise thread and some red thread. As I say, I buy these in Oxfam, which is brilliant. And here's my group of 7 threads for my 8 spaces, because you always need a gap. And you'll see why in a minute. So I'm going to put this one in. You push it through the hole in the middle, and you can use your scissors to push it through. And then you take one or other of the 2 ends and you make a knot. And that holds it steady. And then you spread out each of your threads through that split that you've made. And again, you can go online and see these being made, different sizes, different quantities of ends. So you've got it's all threaded up ready. So you've got an empty space. So you come back 1, 2, and it's the 3rd one, and you take it down to the empty space. And then I hold it by that in the middle, count back 1, 2, and it's the 3rd one, and you take it down to that empty space. And then you have to keep turning it round. 1, 1, 2, it's the 3rd one, take it to the empty space. 1, 2, it's the 3rd one, take it to the empty space. And it'll start to grow. 1, 2, it's the 3rd one, you leave that space empty, and you put it into the other empty space. And as it starts to grow, you get the idea of how the colour is going to look. And then you might think, oh, the next time I'm going to do more red and just 1 turquoise or something like that. So you can look up Japanese samurai warriors costumes and just look at the amazing braids they have for them. And you can look up braid making, kumi-humo, K-U-M-I-H-U-M-O, I think. Now, again, if you do make some, whether you make it into a bangle or for a handle for a bag, don't forget to send a photograph. Thank you very much.